you?
Hi.
All right, so I think this is the first installment of the Inked Imagination Book Club, and I cannot be more happy that we have reached this stage. I just hope that we go forward from here. To those of us joining us, let us introduce ourselves. Before we do that, though, I really apologize for any technical glitches that happen, or the things that are not perfect, because neither are we. We are also trying our hands at this for the first time. So send your love with some patience. We would really appreciate it. Okay, so getting into it, I'll introduce myself, and then we'll go to Neha here. So, as you can see on our screens, my name is Khushbu, and the reason I got into reading was that it was a best sort of escape for me that can exist. It allowed me to go into worlds, and I remember being so fascinated that I am completely transported. How is it possible? And I just couldn't come back from that. So that has been the main motivation for it becoming a passion for me. And now I would say in my second innings, or close to second innings, I'm not in my second innings yet. I've decided to pick this up. Now we'll move over to Neha, but let me tell you something about her. She's my elder sister, and I love her to the bottom of my heart. There's nothing that can measure it. So that's it from my side. Over to Neha. We have here.
Okay, so hi everyone. I am Neha. As Khushbu said, I am her elder sister, and I love you too, Khushbu. Okay, so I got into reading by chance. Actually, my Masi gave me a book of Mills and Bones. Just give it a shot and go ahead and read. I read it, and that's how I think I got into reading. Then again, I got into a reading slump, but Khushbu was there to inspire me, and I again started reading. So that's it.
Right. So I think it's as normal as it can be, right? A journey is up and down, and I think that's what we have both experienced. And I think those up and downs have brought us to this particular position this day also. Uh, we were now at a place in our lives, we were both at a place in our lives where we now could pick up reading and have some semblance of control over our lives, some say in it, more than what we were when we were little. So we wanted to have this journey together because we both love reading, and that is the history, or I would say the inception of our Inked Imagination Book Club. And this is the first installment. I think we have a long way to go, and we will get there.